Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Level 2 Breakout Detector duplicates one of the most watched for Level 2 signals, the absorption breakout, monitoring volume and price action together to determine if there is an increased interest in trading the stock. 6 dynamic color-coded labels show the rising volume, the current price action, and signal when specific levels in volume and price action are met or exceeded. The current and previous volume work together to show trading performance. If the current volume is less than the previous volume, then the current label remains white. Once the current volume is greater than the previous volume, then the volume is surging and the current volume label turns to blue. At the same time, the bid, ask and spread labels show the current price action and the spread between the bid and the ask. If the bid price and ask price are unchanging when the volume is surging, then the signal shown is absorption with a blue label. If the bid and ask price begin to change after the shares have absorbed and the volume is still surging, then the signal will show a breakout. A green label if the price moves higher, breaks on the ask side of level 2, and a breakout down with a red label if the price moves lower, breaks on the bid side of level 2. As the breakout up or breakout down signal occurs, an arrow also appears on the candlestick chart, confirming the direction of the breakout, green for up and red for down. In addition, an audio alert sounds just as the breakout is detected. The dynamic signal label updates in real time based on price and volume behavior. It first shows absorbing when volume is surging, but the price remains stalled. If orders are filling at the ask, it shifts to absorbing ask. If they're filling at the bid, it becomes absorbing bid. Once price breaks out of the stall and volume continues to surge, the label changes again to breaking up or breaking down, depending on the direction. A formula was designed to create the signals that would indicate both absorption and breakout conditions. Not every absorption will result in a breakout, and not every breakout is preceded by absorption, but when both occur, it often signals a strong move. The Level 2 Breakout Detector is a powerful training tool designed to sharpen a trader's awareness of price absorption and potential breakout behavior. While it doesn't directly read Level 2 share size, it alerts traders when shares are absorbing, the key moment to glance at Level 2 and assess whether size is stacking on the bid or ask. That insight helps anticipate which way the breakout is likely to occur. Even if a trader doesn't look, the tool still marks potential breakouts as they happen, but its real value lies in teaching traders how to connect order flow with price action, making Level 1 data a bridge to Level 2 mastery. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.